Welcome to today's X-Mix crafting session. In this video, we are going to make beautiful X-Mix ornament using soft felt fabric, simple, colorful, and full of festive charm. Felt craft are one of the coziest ways to decorate your tree and home during the holiday. They are easy to make, budget-friendly, and full of love. So grab your scissors, felt sheets, and a warm drink, and let's begin the creative journey together. To start, you'll need a few base things: colorful felt sheets or pair of scissors, needle and threads, cotton for stuffing, glue, and a few ribbons or beads for decoration. You can even use the small leftover pieces from an old projects because handmade crafts are all about creativity and recycling what you already have. Choose your favorite X-Mix colors: red, green, white, and golden. They brings instant holiday magic. Now let's cut out our ornament shapes. You can draw stars, hearts, stocking. X-Mix trees are gingerbread men on the felt and cut items carefully. You are making them with kind kids or friends. It's a wonderful moment to laugh, chat, and share ideas. Each shape you cut is like a small piece of happiness waiting to come alive. Next, we will take two pieces of the same shape and stitch them together along the edges. Use a simple running stitch, it gives that sweet handmade look. Before closing it fully, fill it gently with the like button to give it a soft, fluffy texture. You can also use old pillows, stuffing, or fabric scraps for an eco-friendly touch. When you hold it, you will feel the warmth of something made with your own hands. Now comes the fun part. Decorating. Add small beads, sequins, buttons, ribbons, or lace. You can stitch or glue them in creative patterns: tiny snowflakes, star, or even smiling faces. If you want a more natural look, use jute string or little pine leaves. This is your moment to make each ornament truly yours, colorful, unique, and full of joy. When you are done decorating, attach a small loop of thread or ribbon on top so you can hang it easily. Arrange them all together: stars, hearts, trees. What do you want to make? They look like a story of love and colors. Hang them on your X-Mix tree, on the wall, or along your place. Even a simple window looks magical when decorated with handmade felt ornaments. As you craft, notice how peaceful it feels. The soft touch of felt, the rhythm of stitching, and the joy of creating something beautiful. Crafting helps calm the mind, brings focus, and fills your space with positive energy. It's not just about decorating, it's about connection with yourself, your home, and the spirit of X-Mix. And that's it. Your lovely handmade felt ornaments are ready. Each one is a piece of your heart, shining with care and creativity. You can gift them to friends, use them as texts for presents, or simply keep them as a memory of your holiday crafting. This X-Mix, remember, beauty isn't in a perfection, it's in love behind every stitch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. Thank you, be a part of this journey. We try to bring amazing and uniquely crafting ideas, and we try to give amazing and creativity ideas of felt ornaments, felt craft, felt with buttons, felt with stitching, felt with beautiful pearl beaded work. Add some flower on heart shape. It's a new creativity of your work. When you watch your creative item, you can proudly say it's amazing and you made this. So hope you enjoying this video very well. Do you try anything from this? Will you try? Definitely. Let's begin by collecting our materials. You will need colorful sheets, red, green, white, gold, and maybe a few pastel from colors for a gentle look. Also keep some cotton fabric scraps from stuffing, glue, a needle, and thread, scissors, ribbon, and small beads or ribbons. Remember, you don't need to buy anything new, even leftover clothes from old projects or worn out clothes can turn into simple magical thing. That's the beauty of handmade crafting. We use, recreate, and revolve, relove that we are